Morning routines can be a drag, can't they? I mean, who wants to roll out of bed and dive straight into the same old breakfast day after day? Well, hold on to your spatulas because I'm about to revolutionize your mornings with a dish that will make you want to leap out of bed with excitement. Cinnamon roll pancakes. Let's start with the basics. Grab your favorite pancake mix or, if you're feeling adventurous, whip up a batch from scratch. What's next? The cinnamon swirl, of course. In a small bowl, mix together melted butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon until it becomes a gooey delight. Now heat up your griddle or pan to medium heat and pour on some batter. Here's where the magic happens. Take your cinnamon mixture and swirl it right into the pancake. Use a toothpick or the end of your spoon to create that signature cinnamon roll spiral. But wait, there's more. Every cinnamon roll needs its frosting, right? For a quick homemade glaze, mix powdered sugar, vanilla, and milk until smooth. Once your pancakes are golden brown on each side, drizzle that glaze generously over the top. Imagine biting into a warm, fluffy pancake infused with the sweet, spicy swirls of cinnamon, topped with a creamy glaze that melts right in your mouth. It's not just breakfast, it's a warm hug to start your day. So, why settle for ordinary? Turn your everyday morning into a special occasion with cinnamon roll pancakes. Your taste buds, and maybe your Instagram followers, will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you try this at home, let me know how it turns out. Until next time, keep those pancakes flipping and those mornings exciting.